Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome. So today I'll be sharing with you how I made this beautiful, foamy, gorgeous looking bar soap. Yeah, it's a laundry soap and I hope you enjoy the video. So the first thing you'll be needing is your water. You also be getting your soda ash and caustic soda. You want to go ahead and put it inside the water. So this particular water I use here is water from an air condition. So yeah, if you have that, just go ahead and use it, or you use your distilled water. So I'll get another bowl and then add my palm kernel oil in it. After adding my palm kernel oil, I'll go ahead and mix it with surface. So I'll be putting surface inside the oil and then mix it. Because of the design I'm going for, I did not measure it here right now because I just need little quantity, which I did not measure here. But when I'm doing the full video and the full soap, then I'll go ahead and show you guys the quantity I used. So when you mix the oil, you just go ahead and add it together with your water. So after adding it, you add your color, and then here I'm also adding my fragrance. So I'll be using essential oil, 2 different types of essential oil, which I'll be using about 20 drops of essential oil on it. After getting it, I'll just start mixing them. So I discover when you mix with your hand, it's fine. When you also mix with electric, it's fine, but it just makes it faster. So here is me trying to use my electric mixer to mix it. After mixing it and I know it's okay, I will go ahead and put it inside the mold I'm using. So because of the shape I'm going for love, but I discovered I was still having left over soap, so I decided to just put it inside the mold because I was having more mold. So here is me trying to fix it in. I tried pouring it in, but it was really making a mess. Even with this one I did, it was still a mess, but I just have to find my way to put it inside. And after putting it, here is what is looking like. I'm using this my small spoon to smoothing the face, just to make sure it's looking nice when it gets dry. So I'll leave it for some hours, and then when it's completely dry, this is what is looking like. So guys, if you're new to my channel and you love what you're seeing, please consider subscribing, so I'll be showing you guys more and more of it. The next one I'll be showing you all is for bathing. So this one particular one, it's a laundry soap. Yes, you can use it to wash your plate, wash anything, but it's just for laundry. So I'll be showing you guys more and more of this. If you love it, please let me know at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. So after taking it out from the mold, this is what is looking like. So here is the main bar soap. So the first thing you'll be needing is your palm kernel oil. Here is me, I'm putting the palm kernel oil, and the total of it is 432 grams. And then my soda ash caustic soda. I'll also be using, this is my fragrance, silicate, my distilled water. I call this distilled water, but this water I got it out from an air conditioner. So that is what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be using 800 grams. After getting all my measurements, I'll get a big bowl. I'll add my water. After adding my water, my soda ash and my caustic soda goes together into the water, and then I'll mix. After doing this, I'll keep it aside for like 15 to 20 minutes until it gets cold. At this point, it's very hot. When you touch the bowl, you discover it's hot, so you just want to put it aside and let it sit for about 10 to 15 to 20 minutes for it to get cold. While I'm waiting, I'll get my oil and then add my surface to it. I'll mix and mix and mix until I discover all the surface are dissolved. So normally what I do is, after my water is settled, I'm still seeing some caustic soda on it. It's not melting, so I'll just get, normally what I do is I turn my water into the oil, not oil into the water. So I turn my oil into the water, and because I know this plate bowl is small, so I'll just go ahead, and I don't want that little soda ash on it to be there, so I just went ahead to throw that away and then turn it back into this bigger bowl. So after doing that, I will also be mixing and mixing until I discover all the water and oil are mixed together. So I'll add my sodium silicate. After adding my sodium silicate, here is my fragrance. I'm going to be putting it inside. So I'll also be adding my essential oil and my color. That's just it. I'll go ahead and start mixing it. So in case you're wondering, how can you get all this if you are in Nigeria? Presently I'm in Nigeria. So but if you are in Nigeria and you need something like this, you can just go to anywhere they sell chemical for soap, chemical for anything, for soap, for liquid soap, whatever. Tell them you want to buy material for bar soap. All these things I used, all the ingredients I used was 2,000 naira. It's sold for 2,000 naira, yes. So if you want something like this, or you want to try it yourself, just go there. They will give you all the mixture. You don't even need to know the names of what they all look like. But if you want it to be easier for you, just tell them to separate it for you. Like they should write the name for you, so that you know the one you're mixing at a time. So all this is cost for 2,000 naira. Yes, go to any store where they sell soap material and you will get it. So here is me trying to put the design. So all the hearts, I'm putting it down. Like I first put some set of soap, and then now I'm putting the heart. After putting the heart, I arrange it the way I want. I'll go ahead and add the finished soap to it. I was having leftover of those small soap, so I just decided to put it on top to see how it's going to look like. So after putting all the old bubbles and everything in it, here is what is looking like. I'll just go ahead and clean all those excess soap at the edges of the mold, and then yeah, I'll go ahead and clean my table as well. And here is what is looking like. I'll just let it sit for 2 days or 24 hours or more, and then yeah, this is what is looking like. When it's strong, you will know. And guys, in case you're wondering why am I using my hands, maybe because I'm used to it, it does not affect me anymore. But if you want to use it, if you're making yours, make sure you use your safety first. Make sure you use your hand glove, yes. And then if you have nose mask, go ahead and use it, because sometimes I think it's kind of choke. So go ahead and use your safety materials like your hand glove and all of those stuff. So yes, I think I'm used to it. That's why it does not do anything to me. So here is what the soap is looking like. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. And guys, I make use of this soap. You guys need to see how foamy it was. It it was really, 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 really okay. Yes, and I see you all in my next